Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling down in here in Pattaya City, Thailand. I'm about to ride down to the market on my motorbike, pick up a bag of dinner, and enjoy it up on my balcony. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So it's just a few minutes down and a few minutes back, and a few minutes while I pick out what I want. So hope you guys enjoy, and I have been eating good here. So wait and see. All right, guys, off to the markets we go. Ooh. There we go. How's that look? Yeehaw. One thing about this city, it's ultra convenient with or without a motorbike. Like, seriously. I don't know if I'd feel safe on that thing. I like this little Honda bike in front of us, but I don't know about the whole that. Right down here on the right is the Pattaya City Hospital. They were giving out COVID vaccines back there earlier today, trying to get the area ready because they're itching to open back up. The guys that want the bars to open back up, believe it, believe you me. Right up here would be the market, another block or two, or whatever you want to say. Oh, it's right up here. Okay. Like I said, it only takes a couple minutes. They want your temperature. All right, guys, let's go get some food. Everything always smells so good through here. I know what I'm getting though. Maybe. Yeah, okay, she's back here. Sweaty cup. Can I get a chicken and a rib? Look at that smaller one. That one's quite big.
160.
How many?
160.
Okay. And then yes, one cut, yes. look good there. Yes, please. How much?
200.
200. Cup and cop. Simple as that, guys. I had a smoothie already today, or I would stop there. Let's just cruise through here and look real quick. Ow. I keep hitting my head in here. Yeah, all right. I already had that. I had that fried chicken there for breakfast. Can't hit my head through here. Excuse me. It's not made for tall guys like me wearing a helmet. Oh, yeah. But yeah. Thought I dropped something. See here, hook it onto that. Pretty happening spot when the evening takes hold, for sure. Guys, I'm going to take you back upstairs. I'm going to show you what it all looks like, and I'm going to commence to rub down. It's a protein-packed meal, that's for sure. But like I said, you can't go wrong with what I paid. 200 baht. I got a quarter chicken and a rack of ribs for $6. So some people might say that that's too much, but I literally think it's an amazing deal, so I really don't care what anybody else thinks, you know what I mean? Like I said, you'll say the price of things, and you'll get some expats talking about, well, you should have got it for free here. You know, there's always somebody else who thinks they can get stuff cheaper or whatever, and I just don't listen to it anymore. I'm happy to pay that. That's a fair deal, right? As you can tell, we take dinner seriously around here. There ain't no BS about it. Gotta watch my head here. I'll bang my head here with the helmet on. Guys, helmet off, mask off, dinner table. Let's see, hot sauce or spicy sauce. This stuff's got some fire to it. Fork I found downstairs. I borrowed it. Boom. See what I'm saying? That's hard to beat. You're not gonna get that in the United States for $6. That's for darn sure, right? I mean, whew. Anyways, guys. That was a trip to the market for dinner here in Pattaya City, down here on Soi Buakhao. That was the Soi Buakhao Market. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this here, and I'm gonna check out for now, and I hope you guys check back in with me here on the next video, and see what we're up to then. So once again, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that little bell icon if you want updates, when I upload a video. So beyond that, I appreciate you guys for watching, and peace from Thailand.